Guys, today we have our 2015 Tundra here, and we are going to install our black LED tail lights on it. Let's take a look at the tail lights and see what we got going. Right out of the box, you'll see on these black tail lights that we have a LED section up here and an LED section down here. These are for your brake and turn signals. Your running light is going to be this tube that runs all the way through, starting here and comes down here, following the lines of the tail light. That's for your running lights. This light right here is going to be your reverse. On the side over here, you have your reflector. And then on the back side, we have the 3 sockets. So we provide these sockets. You don't have to change out your stock ones or anything. So you'll just disconnect your stock ones and plug in your new ones. We also have 2 resistors to correct the rate of flash. These are for both the top and bottom panels. These will get stuck to the inside cavity of the taillight pocket. The tools that you'll need to take your taillights off are a 3/8 ratchet, a short extension, and a T30 bit. Okay, to remove your taillights, what we're going to do is we're going to lower the tailgate, and we need to remove this bolt and this bolt. Okay, so all we do, pull this top bolt out. Again, it is a T30 Torx. Pull the bottom one out. Once you remove your top and bottom bolt, you'll notice that it's loose. This taillight doesn't pull straight out, it pulls off this way. So what you're gonna do is you wanna reach in here and grab, if you can, here, and then also on the bottom, and pull these off. These are the locators that go into the side panel here and here. Once you've done this, you can remove your 3 sockets by depressing the tab and pulling straight out. Sometimes you may need to push in, push down, and then to get them to release. They can be a bit tricky at times. Just like that. Now we're ready for the new tail light. Set this one off to the side, keep it in case you ever need it again. Now, we can go ahead and disconnect these. I already have some mounted in here, but these do come with it. You'll peel off this 3M tape. Let's see where I mounted these ones. If you look in here, I've already mounted our resistors here and here. Each one comes with 2, one for the top panel, one for the lower panel. Again, all you have to do is remove the backside. You want to clean in here and stick them in here. This won't interfere with the light at all, or if you have your tailgate gas shock here, it won't interfere with that either. So once you've stuck these in here, what you can do is connect it all back to the light, which we'll go over right now, and mount the light back and you're done. So we've got our new tail light here, ready to start hooking everything back up. We've got these connectors for the resistors. Those just plug in and they will snap to lock in. Top and bottom. Now for the stock harness, we just plug them all back in the same way that they came out. Typically I run them behind this harness and just push them in until they snap. Once you've done that, you just want to make sure that the wiring tucks back into this area. Line up your side locators, push in, you'll hear them snap in, and then now we can put our bolts back in. So we got one for the top and one for the bottom. Okay, these are all installed. I'm going to do the other side and then we'll show you what they look like.